Okay, so I'm putting on my skincare, I'm putting on my SPF that has color. Basically, it's also my makeup, and I'm about to do my lips, and I'm like, something just occurred to me, and I'm like, how is this combo not viral yet? It is so good. This is the Jane Iredale Forever Pink. They have Forever Peach, Forever Red, and then Forever Clear too. But these are a pH product that basically gives you a custom color based on your skin's pH. So of course, like I always need a lip. My lips are like pale white gray. I look like a dead person. So I love this because this is long lasting. It's a custom color, and of course it's pink, so of course I have to have it. And it also has a lot of like essential oils like jojoba, avocado oil, just a lot of oils that keep the skin like really hydrating. You do not need a lot. I'll overdo it if I sit here and keep talking. But you kind of just let that sit a minute, and then you get this custom color that like fits you perfectly because it's based on your skin's pH. Now, how I like to finish this, and again, these two together, my favorite. You can catch me in this all week long, all summer long, all year long. This is basically empty. I use it so much. And then I use the Our Self lip conditioner. This is a hyaluronic acid based lip conditioner, and it's long lasting, and it not just hydrates the top layer of the lip, it actually penetrates where you actually, like the dryness starts, and replenishes that reservoir. So long term, you never have dry lips. Then together, like your custom color for your own custom look. And I just love these. These should be viral together. Always use together. I mean, you don't have to, but I love it.